a 2006 LS2 Corvette. It has the 243 high-performance heads with the hollow stem valve and the sodium-filled exhaust valve. The engine has 31,000 miles. It comes complete with an E38 computer with the tune, the Corvette gas pedal, and a 2011 CAMARO wiring harness for a 6L80E transmission. The transmission I have coupled to it for the purposes of running it on my engine stand is a 4L60. That transmission is available for sale. It's a complete rebuilt transmission with a new torque converter. However, the tune would have to be modified some because the 2006 Corvette engine only came with a 6L80. But for the purposes of this ad, I'm deleting the transmission, and it will just have the motor complete with a wiring harness, mass airflow sensor, inlet tube, alternator, power steering pump, water pump, all the brackets and the belt. This is complete, a running engine, and I can even furnish you a standalone fuse panel wired onto your wiring harness for an additional fee. So this is another engine from Lloyd's Performance Parts. We'll take a quick look here at the EFI Live desktop, and you can see the engine vitals here running. There's the oil pressure, and we'll move on up to see the engine water temperature, and here's the RPM, the idle on the RPM. So again, this is a 2006 Corvette engine, 243 cylinder heads. This is a 6-liter engine, LS2. So, and it's complete. I think they were rated at 400 horsepower in the 2006 Corvette. As you can see, the complete front drive assembly. The air cleaner will stay with my engine stand. However, if you needed it, I do have a 2006 Corvette air cleaner that came with the engine. Now, this is drive-by-wire, so you'll get the wiring harness, gas pedal, and the computer, and all the front drive assembly ready to go. So again, thank you, and as you can see, the engine runs perfect.